Hey y'all, I'm James Wright, and welcome to my shop. Today we are making a Nutcracker nut. Having a little bit of fun with this and thought it would be a good project. The nice thing about this is that you're not going to be like over pressurizing and crushing the nut completely. You're just cracking off the shell so you can save a lot more meat inside. So let's dive in and take a look at how to make it. Well, nuts to that. there you have it. This was a lot of fun to make, and if you want to see more detail about this, I'll have it on my second channel, or you can go and take a look at that, and that is Wood by Wright 2. I'm actually going to go into step-by-step detail explaining what I did, why I did it, and so you can follow along with that. But you can check that out in the description and up in the cards. This was a lot of fun and very tasty, so you can enjoy your Christmas nuts in fashion. And I've seen a lot of these made before where they're made with a metal screw or something else like that, and I thought I want to make one completely out of wood and have a little bit of fun as we go. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. And that's about it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Well now, that is nuts. No, that's nuts.
No, you're nuts.